let's get into this pony. I don't know what type of, should I just be a genie in a bottle? I look like Princess Jasmine or something. Look at that. I would get up, but my bottoms look a mess. But I look cute from the waist up. Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kearia and this is my channel, Hey Key. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, what have you guys been up to? Please let me know in the comments below. Want to learn how to do this to your head with only $5? Keep watching because I got you. Okay, for real. Let's roll the clips. Hey y'all, so as you can see, we're using like a wide tooth comb, so I'm just combing out my hair. I tried to blow dry it to my best ability, but I suck at blow drying, so this is what it is, whatever, I don't care. So I'm using like some gel just to slick down my hair. So this is like the olive oil. I don't even know, I just picked it up at the beauty supply. So it's brand new. It has like a firm hold. I actually do like this stuff. It smells like really good. So I am heavy-handed, just full disclaimer. I like to use a lot of product in my hair, like that one little piece size or just a dollop. That don't work for me. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, I'm just putting this like all around the perimeter of my head just to smoothen it out. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I really don't have to talk too much about this, but yeah, I'm just putting it like all around my head, and then I'm gonna go back in and use some edge control because I have natural hair. I have like 4B/4C type hair, and I have to make sure this is nice and slick. Well, not too slick because this is like a natural kinky ponytail, but still I just want to lay it down to my best ability. So after you slick it down with your hands, you do want to go back in with a brush and just make sure that you're getting the product like all throughout your hair. Make sure it's like evenly coated. I don't know, just make sure you get it all throughout your hair. So I look kind of crazy right here, but yeah, this is the next step. So I'm going in with like this 48-hour hold edge control. This stuff is so amazing. Like I love this edge control, brand new from the beauty supply. Love it. So I'm literally just gonna put this like along my edges just to make sure that it's nice and sleek. Like again, I'm not trying to do like a super straight look because I do have like a kinky type well, I have braiding hair, so it's not even kinky. I'm using braiding hair for this ponytail. So yeah, I'm just trying to slick it down because we don't want like any little fuzzy like little flyaways or whatever for this look. So yeah, just going back in with the brush. You know, this is quite repetitive, so I really don't have to talk too much about this. But yeah, just going in with the brush because you want to evenly get the product like distributed all throughout the hair. Oh my god, I look so crazy right here. But yeah, this like it's real, you know, self-explanatory, so I really don't have to talk too much. But yeah, after I slick it down and braid it enough, I'm just grabbing my hair, and then we are going to put this into like a high ponytail. So just try to grab your hair as much as you can, get it all in one hand, and then you're just going to put it in the highest ponytail that you possibly can for the look for this video. If you want like a low ponytail, that's cool, but that's not what we're doing for this video today. So for the high ponytail, you need to get it on top of your head, and you're going to use like a little scrunchie. I don't put rubber bands in my hair because they tend to pull it out. So yeah, I'm just using like a little scrunchie, and I'm just trying to get it like not too tight but nice and comfortable. And then I'm going to go back with the second scrunchie because this time I'm going to try to make my hair into a ball. So as you see, I'm like twisting it in, and then I'm just trying to wrap it in with the next scrunchie and just make like a small little like ball on top of my head. So after that, we're just going to tie up my hair and let the edge control do its thing. Let it get slicked down for a little bit because we want it to be nice and molded before we add the ponytail onto my head.
2 hours later.
Okay, it hasn't been 2 hours, more like 15. I'm just playing around. But yeah, I just took a little break, and now we're going to reveal my hair. It's nice and slick, as you can see, looks pretty good. And we're gonna take out the hair. I think when I was recording this, I was listening to Megan Thee Stallion, so that's why I'm just like all upbeat. You'll see later on in the video, like I was just really just doing my own thing, like grooving to the music or whatever. But yeah, so I got some Kankelon hair, this braiding hair. I got model. I actually don't like this. I don't know why I got this. But anyway, braiding hair is all the same to me. Like it gets tangled and it be all over the place and it's all like stringy. But yeah, it's just some braiding hair. It's $5. Like no, you can't really have too many expectations. So they come like braided up, and there's 3 different bundles, and they come braided up in like some rubber bands. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the rubber bands out of the hair because I'm actually going to combine 2 out of the 3 bundles, and I'm just going to make that one little bundle of hair for my ponytail. So I'm only using 2. I'm not going to use the full 3-pack. I think that's too much for the look that I'm doing. Like I'm literally just doing this for 2 days. I decided to fast forward this part because you can see I'm just stretching the hair. I'm combining 2 of the bundles, so I'm really just stretching, pulling back and forth. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that really quick. But yeah, that's why I fast forwarded this part. So the hair is stretched, so now we are taking a scrunchie and we're just pulling it right through the middle of the bundle. So as you can see, I was holding one part still and I just pulled it right through. And now I'm going to do it a second time. So we're just going to hold the hair tie really quick. Well, before I straighten out the hair real quick. And now we're just going to twist it and then pull the hair right back through, because we just want to make sure it's nice and secure. You don't want like the whole other side of hair just pulling through. So yeah, we're just getting it nice and secure. So it's like literally just a rubber, like not a rubber band, but like a hair tie, a scrunchie just right in the middle of the hair. So that's what you want, just a scrunchie right in the middle. That's it. And then it's separating it like into 2 almost. So this hair does get like a little tangled, like a little, you know, it's braiding hair, that's what it does. So it is getting like a little tangled, it is a little stringy. So I'm just straightening it one more time. As you can see, I actually had to go in and cut it a little bit because it was like really stringy at the end, like some real long pieces, as you can see. I'm not trying to do like a blunt cut. I just wanted to get those little strangly pieces out of the ponytail, that's all. Okay, so this is the part. You just take the hair tie, wrap it around your natural hair like as such, and then I'm just going to twist it just to wrap it again one more time just to make it a little bit more secure. And then you take all the hair, put it to the front of your head, and then we're literally just going to flip it over. That's it. You just flip it over. Now it looks crazy right here. We're not done. Do not walk out the house like this. Don't do that. This ain't it. So I'm just playing around, listening to Megan. Like I said, I'm really feeling myself clearly. So I don't know why I'm just really, what am I listening to? I think I was listening to Captain Hook or whatever. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Don't mind me. So you just want to take a piece out of the ponytail, more like an inch. That's way too much. As you can see, I'm going to put some back. Like that's way too much. Like you need like an inch and a half, maybe even 2 if you want to, but you just want like a nice little piece of hair, and then you're just going to wrap it around the elastic band. So that's really just going to hide the elastic band and make it look more natural. I mean, we know it's not natural, but it just makes it look more authentic, for the lack of a better word. So I'm really just holding the extra hair while I'm wrapping that one little piece around, as you can see. And it was hard because this hair was just getting like all in the way. Like I hate braiding hair. Like braiding hair is so annoying. But yeah, it's really simple. I didn't want to add like any spritz or any freeze spray or anything because I'm literally wearing this for like 2 days or whatever, and like the hair is really stringy, so I really didn't care. But yeah, you're just wrapping it around the rubber band on your head. And now we're at the last piece, so I just wanted to get like one bobby pin, and I just want to secure that one little piece. I actually put it into like my little bun at the top, so it's just securing that one little piece and making it look more natural and make sure that it's in place. So actually with this high ponytail, it's like so many ways you can do it. Like you can put the hair to the side, you can do like a top knot, you can do like a bun, you can just have the hair like straight back. Yeah, so many looks you can do with this. I'm probably gonna wear it in a bun one day and then like a ponytail the next, and then just take this out my head. Like I really don't like this hair, but this is like a really quick, easy look, and I don't mind it at all. Like this hairstyle literally took under 10 minutes and the hair was $5. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you tried before, or this is something that you're interested in trying. Like I used to wear these ponytails like my senior year of college. Not my senior year, I'm lying. My senior year of high school, freshman year of college. Yeah, but anyway, that is the end of this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this look. Please let me know if you will wear it as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. But thank you guys for watching.